Hello, and welcome to a tutorial on how to download and install Vuze. First, open your browser. Go to Google and type Vuze in the search box, then hit enter. Click on the first link. Now click on Vuze free download, click save, and open the installation program. Wait for it to prepare the installation wizard. Now click I agree. Make sure to read the license terms and check that I accept box is selected, then hit next. Vuze will now install to your computer. This may take a few minutes. Okay, this part is optional. Most of you will hit decline, but I'm going to accept. Vuze is now installed and will automatically launch itself. You can now start using Vuze. Thanks for watching.